Hello, how you guys doing, man? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today, man. I just want to do some analysis, important analysis, analysis that's gonna make you a lot of money. Very, very, very good analysis. So if you're still new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and you like the video and you leave the comment below. For the purpose of this video, I just wanna talk about my social media. For those who doesn't follow me on social media, you just have to click this button. My Instagram account is gonna lead you on my Instagram and on my Facebook account. So make sure you click the subscribe button of this channel. Make this channel reach 10,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let's just get into the videos, because that's the reason why you actually subscribed. You're watching the video right now. So let me just enter here. So I just want to close this tab. Please bear with me. I want to close this tab. Alright. Oh, there we go again with this laptop. So I wanted to do an analysis of USD CAD. If you can see, USD CAD is the setup that I'm actually watching at the moment. So I just saw a very nice setup on the USD CAD. So if you've been looking at this point, if you're a trendline trader, but just looking at this point to this point here, you see that the price might respect this vertical trend line, just move up a bit and then decide to drop. Okay, you see, by just looking at this trend line, so the price might just move up a bit and then decide to respect this vertical trend line and then goes down again. But there is something that is even more interesting. So if you could zoom in a bit, let me just clear it here. So if you could just zoom in a bit, you can see here there is a nice setup of a QML pattern, but it was a buy QML. So let me just show you what you have here. You have a shoulder. So you see at this point, let me just draw it for you so you can see. You have a shoulder here. You have a shoulder here, and then you have a head. At this point, you have a head. So then there's the break. So this high is not equal to this high now. So this guy, so if you could just look at here, it respected this QML here. So it decided to push up a bit and then it hits your TP1. So this entire zone is very important, né? This zone is important, this entire zone. Okay, so then it respected and then it decided to break. But look at the break. When it decided to break this zone, we have this base candle here. You have this base candle here. This is a nice base candle. So you have a nice base here. So if I could just draw a nice horizontal line just above the base, you see this above the base. So we have this nice this is a drop. The price was dropping here. This is a drop, base drop. So this is a nice supply zone. This is a nice supply zone in a very significant key level. This is a very key level because you had a Quasimodo here at this level that respected, and after breaking this Quasimodo, we have this nice supply zone. This is a nice supply zone. So let me zoom it in a bit so you can see this zone, how important it is. You see it's been respecting for some time. You even have some spike candle actually showing this zone is being respected. You see it's been respected. So we even have this nice vertical line here of the trend line showing that this price will move just up a bit and then decide to drop again. So let me just show you what I'm gonna do at this zone. So we have a nice clear proper setup. So let me show you how I'm gonna analyze this for you. So since I know at this zone is important, right? This zone is important. So we have here this part. So all you need to do is just highlight this base candle, the whole base candle, guys, not just the body. Highlight this whole base candle, highlight it here from the top to the bottom. So we have this nice entry point here, nice entry point. You see how confluential it is when you're gonna be mixing with the trend line. You see how confluential it is. So it's a nice zone, this point. Nice zone. Nice zone. So already the price is at our zone, right? So it's at our zone. So your stop loss just have to be above the base. Don't make it too tight. Just give it air. You see? Just above this. You see? Just above this. So the price have two. Okay, we have this confluence of this vertical trend line showing that it needs to push, and we have this base candle. On this base candle, this drop base drop, which is a nice demand zone. We have this drop base drop, which is a nice demand zone, and then we have this nice QML, which was broken after it respected. So you have a QML TR. It's not a QML TR, it's just a QML because it respected the first time. So we have this nice QML TR, and what we have here, we have a nice divergence at this point. So if you can go here, this is a nice divergence. So if I could just draw this butterfly for this point, let me show you this butterfly. So we have this point to this point to this point. So we have this point to this point to this point. 1, 2, 3. So you see, you have a nice butterfly. So you have almost like four high probability this setup might drop. This setup might drop. So we have a nice 4 setups showing that this setup might drop. So if I'm gonna enter a trade, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for, okay, just use a proper lot size. I'm gonna go for okay, let me just use 0. Okay, 0.01, and then we go for because it's exactly at the zone. You see, 0.01, and then your stop loss, just drag this line, and just put it above the base. You see, above the base. So above the base. Okay, so let me see my stop loss. My stop loss gonna be $34. So my take profits is gonna be, let me see. Your take profits just have to be below, on the lowest low, which is this one. This is the lowest low. So you see, your stop loss is $34, and your take profits is $243. So in terms of risk reward ratio, you are looking about let me see how many $34 are at 240. You almost like the risk reward is almost 1:10. 1:10, guys. So that's a huge risk reward, and this setup is a high probability setup. So this setup is gonna make you a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and you click the like. I'm gonna send you the link of the broker I recommend. So make sure you click the like button and you comment below and actually tell me what you think of this analysis. Make sure you subscribe on the channel, and make sure you follow me on my social media platform. So for now, bye.